The following video will show you how to prepare and to inject a subcutaneous Puregon valve at home. Puregon is prescribed to stimulate the ovaries to produce follicles containing the oocytes. It comes in two different doses, 50 units and 100 units. Before you begin, check against your KKIVF Center injection form to ensure that subcutaneous Puregon is ordered for the day. To administer the medication at the same time each day. Then, practice proper hand hygiene by washing your hands with soap or use a hand sanitizer. Next, prepare the following items. 1 Puregon valve. Inspect the medication. Ensure the medication is clear with no particles and that it is not expired. 1 syringe. One 21 gauge long needle is for drawing and a 27 gauge short needle is for the injection. 2 pieces of alcohol swab. 1 container for disposing the injection, such as a disposable plastic bottle. Step 1. Draw the prescribed dose. Remove the cap of the Puregon valve and clean the top with an alcohol swab. Open the syringe from the packaging. Attach the long needle to the syringe firmly and remove the cap from the needle. Insert the long needle into the Puregon. Draw out all the solution by pulling the plunger. Discard the long needle into the disposable container. And attach the short needle to the syringe containing the medication. Ensure that there are no air bubbles in the syringe. If air bubbles are present, hold the syringe upright and push the plunger slowly to expel them. Step 2. Inspect the injection site. Inspect your skin to make sure there's no bruising, swelling, hardness, or irritation in the area of the injection. Step 3. Clean the injection site. Clean the selected site with an alcohol swab and let it dry thoroughly before the injection. Step 4. Administer the injection. The injection can be given anywhere 2 fingers below the navel. Use a different injection site each time to lessen the chance of damage to the tissues under the skin. Firmly pinch the skin with your thumb and index finger and hold it. Hold the syringe with your dominant hand and ensure that your thumb can reach the plunger. Inject the needle into the pinched skin at a 90-degree angle. Then, release the skin when the needle is fully inserted and slowly push the plunger to inject all the medication. Hold for 5 seconds. Step 5. Withdraw the injection and discard it into the disposable container. Use an alcohol swab to apply light pressure and gently wipe the injected site. Store the medication between 2 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has been informative.